In this video, I'll show you how to activate your priority pass on Amex. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, let's begin. Okay, so first is, what is a priority pass? As a platinum card holder, you are entitled to a complimentary membership in a thing called Priority Pass. Now, it will allow you to wait for your flight in a very relaxed atmosphere in one of more than 1,200 Priority Pass lounges around the world. How cool is it? Of course, you just have to enroll in the Priority Pass benefit, right? Simply contact Platinum Card Travel Service at these numbers within the US or outside the US. Call collect at 1-954-503-8868. All right. Now, for you to activate your priority pass card, simply you need to go to this link right here, prioritypass.com/n/activate your account, by putting in your priority pass membership number and the last four digits of your platinum card. All right. In case you have received your priority pass card but there is a name mismatch, all right, you need to get some information here, all right? And if you have not received your priority pass card after the estimated processing time, right, you need to contact the customer support at these numbers, okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Once again, we will see you all in the next video.